So this is the first job opening that we have, which is in Synergetic India. This is the company name, Synergetic India. They want a trainer who can train on Microsoft Defender for IoT. This is online training and they want to start immediately, right? Topic will be Microsoft Defender for IoT. Working professionals, audience will be for the people those are working in the industry. It will be online. Training will be starting is as soon as possible. Timing will be 4 hours per day, 7 p.m. to 11:30 p.m. Duration will be 4 day, and content focus will be all those things, whatever you can see here, right? When I need to move my chair. Delivery style will be instructor led, hands on with the lab and demos, right? So trainer must have a strong knowledge about IoT, operation OT, IoT and OT, deep knowledge about the deployment, sensor, Azure Sentinel integration, network topologies. This is very common, very easy, right? Topologies. Ability to handle live project examples and focus on all those things, right? So to apply, you can you can send the update trainer profile along the lab setup readiness and just be prepared. You need to start as soon as possible, right? Divesh Purohit at synergetic-india.com is the mail ID on which you need to drop your resume, right? Anyways, now the next one is basically Aspire HR, the company which is hiring for the cybersecurity engineer. It's a Qatar-based job. Apply at aspirehrmc.com is the mail on which you need to drop your resume, right? Next one is associate analyst L1. ठीक है 6 months of experience is required, up to 1 year of experience is required. Even we are planning to start our own associate internship very quickly, right? Probably from the 1st of May. मतलब मई में मेरा बर्थडे नहीं, but 6 month 6 to 1 years of experience required. It's a Ahmedabad based job, full time rotational shift, exclusive morning shift, right? Skills will be cyber security basics, monetary incident response SIM, which is my favorite topic actually. And this is mail ID, contact at heritagecyberworld.com. And this is the WhatsApp number on which if you have any questions, whatever you want, you can ask, right? Next one is in Kochi, VAPT Cybersecurity Analyst, which is in South India, and 1 to 2 years of experience required. So I actually keep it for the freshers supply. And on site skills will be hands-on experience on VAPT, web application, network security, API pen testing. Oh, if you're Kerala, if you're Mallu, then only you can join. If you are anyone else from any other state, then I guess this will be a little bit hard for you to join this job. But let's see. SOC profile will not be considered. So don't be SOC guy. If you'll be a SOC guy, then they are not going to select you, right? This is the mail ID careers@hackit.com. That's all for today, guys. If you have any questions, please ask. I'll answer each and everything, whatever you want. So thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Jai Hind.